February 28. Julian Crypto, nothing here is a financial advice, so let's start it, guys. What is going on in Europe, in the world? What sanctions have been imposed on Russia over Ukraine invasion? This is really important. So the EU, US and UK and Canada have agreed to prevent the Russian central bank from deploying its international reserves in ways that undermine the impact of our sanction. The EU has since said it is banning all transactions with the institutions, which has 640 billion in reserves in an effort to paralyze its assets. So more than 600 billion euro. It is really big amount of money, huge amount of money. Swift ban on Russia means the Fed may need to ready dollars. Ukraine war has led to sanctions on Russia's biggest banks. European Union approves ban on transactions with Russian central bank. So this is it. And what I try to show you is the different side of the same coin. I won't tell many things today, but look at this. As of June 30 last year, 33% of Russia's foreign currency reserves were in euros and 16% were in dollars and about 7% were in British pounds. So this is about 55%, which already probably Russia is losing right now. 55% of its foreign reserves. It's a lot of money. And look at this, guys. About external debt. What about external debt? About Russia external debt? About 470 billion dollars, yes. And Russian and US external debt, more than $20 trillion. And right now, Russia is losing its external reserves, and because of that, right now, for sure, US, for example, is getting profits because of getting that debt. But give me your thoughts. What do you think about it? And what do you think about the power, the economic power of US, of China, of Russia? Because look at this. The 60s, the biggest economic power was of course US, then UK and Germany and France. 90s, US, Japan, Germany, France, UK, a little bit of China. And right now, 20s, China, the biggest one, the biggest economy in the world. And then US, then Germany, then Russia, alright? So just think about it and think about the power between US and China right now. And here, what we have here we have the Ukrainian official BTC address for getting donations from BTC and ETH. And right now, for today, they got, I told you how much in Bitcoin, and I will tell you how much in ETH they just got. So in ETH they already got right now about I will take it like this, and I will copy this, and in if 71 if right now for today, and total received 2000 if, 2000 if total received. I will do it here. Here. Total received. Total received. Yeah, this is the same. Tether, and how much BTC? Total received 150 BTC. Huge amount. So in dollars it's about 1 million and a half. They already have more than $1.5 million. But totally they received much more. Totally. Okay. And what they are writing on Twitter, what they are writing on Twitter, basically. We have this chart, halving index. What do you see here? What can you see here? What can you see here? Here, maybe going up, maybe going down. Fuck it. Maybe going down. Okay, but now I have to tell you about my opinion. Are we going up or are we going down? So let's take a look at this. Long-term holders selling in profit. It's dangerous right here. Whilst buying here. While it's buying here, the price went up in interval, day interval. This is bad. Okay, it's going down and price going up. So maybe the price will go down, but I have to show you something. This funding rates, this pattern, and then price go up, go down, big down. And then price go up, big down, still waiting for price go down, go up, still waiting, who knows? Or maybe you are still waiting for this pattern, yeah? So, what do you think? And this is really interesting for today. So, we are at the level when historically we were at the points here when the price went up in about 2 weeks to 4 weeks and went up about 15 to 14%. From here, you see, to that point, all right? 15 to about 14%. From this point to this point, about 2 weeks, 15 to 14%. Also here, 15 to 14%, 40% here in 2 to 4 weeks. Yeah, in previously, yeah. We'll check this. Yeah, we'll check, for example, this moment. Yeah. So right now we are at this point. So maybe 2 to 4 weeks we will see 15 to 40% up from now, and it will be between $42,000 and $52,000 between in March. So basically we are waiting for that point, 8 to 24th March. I will draw it, 8 to 24 March, 8 to 24, and between 52 and 8, yeah, and 42, yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, and I will draw it like here, like this, and like this. So if the pattern will repeat itself, the next couple of weeks, 2 or 3 or 4 weeks, something like this here, and here their interest, Fed starting raising interest rates. Remember this, all right? So maybe right now it is good time to accumulate Bitcoin. Okay, think about it. And this NUPL, so net unrealized profit and loss. Here the line, support zone, our support zone, and analyzing previous support zones and analyzing the bull bear market. Maybe in about 1 year, so in about November 2022, we will be at this levels, 2022. So November 2022. Not really, to be honest. Interesting. November 2022. Let's draw it. 2022 November, yeah. So something like this. Something like this, and we have to remember that about levels. Yeah, so if this will be at this point, this level, so it will be about 10,000, and here about 20,000, 18,000. Yeah, so I assume it will be about 13,000 to, and yeah, 13,000 is the lowest point, yeah? 13,000 is the lowest point, and look at this arrow, yeah? Here, and then the price below, yeah? Here, and then the price below. So maybe will go up and then price go down, something like this. So we are waiting for that area here. Maybe here will be the great time to accumulate Bitcoin, who knows. So below 18,000. To 13,000, something like this. In November 2022, so let's do December, September, October, November. Okay, so we will wait, we will analyze it, we will observe it, and yeah, and we will check if it was right. Of course, it can be different. You have to know it can be much different. But let's take a look here and now on this chart. So 2022 November. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh la la. So yeah. So let's do it. 13,000. Yeah. Okay. And then up to about half of December. Yeah, here. Oh my gosh. It's really a... Look at this. Bam. Yeah. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la, señorita muchacho. Bamberina. Okay, let's draw this. So 8 March. Yeah, 8 March. 52,000, maybe here, and 42,000 here, something like here, somewhere here, 20. Okay, so this area. Bamberina, alright. Okay, let's do this. So basically, we are ahead in front of the war, and you have to know that during the war, maybe it will be international war between NATO alliance forces and the Russia and maybe China, and it's of course because of economy. So you have to understand that the markets will react to this. And of course, we have to analyze the whole market. We have to analyze their what are they doing, why they are doing this. The price is going up, nice. Cool. Why they are doing this, and join our tools if you want. And if you are a programmer, if you are developer, IT backend developer especially, call us and write us. Okay, links are in the description. So basically, again, right now we are facing maybe the price will go up, but in the long term, I don't know. It's not looks cool in long term, but who knows? Who knows what could happen? Of course, I'm saying that the Bitcoin is the long term asset for me. Okay, guys, thanks, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.